Introducing CineCast Indie, a free software application for creating cinematic rolling credits. Once you launch CineCast Indie, you're ready to enter the credits. Simply select a preset using the toolbar, or using keyboard shortcuts, and start typing. CineCast will automatically align your text. Press the Tab key to move to the next cell or to add new cells. To begin a new cluster, simply press Enter or select another preset. For zero line spacing, such as when entering the cast, press Shift-Enter. To insert a logo, select the Graphics preset, double-click on a cell, and select a graphics file. CineCast will automatically resize the graphics logo to fit the cell. Our project is now complete, so let's save it. You may modify font parameters in the Font Settings dialog box. You can select the font, the style, color, capitalization as well as the relative role to artist text heights. As an example, let's change the font and the text color. Press OK, and CineCast Indie will re-render the project and apply the new settings without any rework. You can modify the design in the Layout Settings dialog box. For example, to change text size, simply set the number of rows you would like to fit in a 16:9 aspect ratio. Again, CineCast Indie will re-render the project and apply the new settings without any rework. Let's preview our project. Simply click on the preview icon. Enable Smart Stretch. Set the target roll duration. And click OK. And there's our preview, at the selected frame size and frame rate. Press Escape to return to edit mode. Now, click on the export icon, and select the export format. Enable Smart Stretch. Set the target roll duration. Select the output folder, and click OK. CineCast Indie is now exporting the project as a folder containing a TIFF image file sequence. This export can be used with any video editing platform, Windows or Mac, that supports importing of industry-standard TIFF image file sequences, such as Avid Media Composer, DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Vegas Pro. As an example, we will import our TIFF credits roll sequence into a Vegas Pro project. We would like to superimpose our credits roll over this short background clip on the timeline. Begin by importing the CineCast TIFF image sequence. Click on File, Import, Media. Open the Test Project folder. Click on the first image, check the Open Sequence box, and press Open. In the Properties dialog box, ensure that Alpha Channel is enabled. Now simply drop the credits roll sequence onto the top track of the timeline. And there we are. The credits roll is superimposed over the background footage. Check out these short videos which illustrate the simple process of importing CineCast TIFF image sequences into other video platforms. And why not download the free CineCast Indie software application now and try it out for yourself?